Hi guys, I thought I'd make a quick video just to show you what I found out quite recently. I got a call from a company called Sloan Court Capital. They're a new brokerage based in the UK. Okay, for those of you who are interested in financial trading, binary options, forex market, if you're interested in just the general stock market, definitely recommend them. I'll just share my experience with you that I've had with them over the past month. So I joined them last month. Okay, and that I've always been interested in the financial markets. There's a lot of hype around it. $5 trillion is spent on the financial markets every day. That's a massive amount. That's a massive amount of money, and I wanted my part of it as well. Now, I spent the last year or so, the last year or two, trying to learn it myself, trying to make trades myself, and just building myself up. And there's a lot that goes into it, and I ended up losing money. I wasn't too good at it. I'd make some money as well, but just never really got the knack of it. Now what they offer, Sloan Court Capital, when they called me, is something called managed accounts. So what they'll do is you'd open an account with them as you would with any other broker. Now instead of trading for yourself, they would trade for you. So they have dedicated account managers and they have dedicated traders as well for you that will watch over your account and place trades for you. So you save already thousands of pounds from any training courses that you might be thinking of taking. You save time from watching the markets every day. You save everything is really quite good. I mean, the kind of return that they do. I mean, on the screen now is their platform. So if I just go up, that's them there, Sloan Court Capital. Okay, obviously there's my name, Dylan. And at the moment they've managed to build my account up to £19,166 and 13 pence. Now I took all the money I had from my other trading platforms, which was roughly about roughly about 8-9 grand, and they've built it up to 19,166, and that was last month. I mean, just to give you an idea, they place trades for you. Okay, if I go over here to my open trades, they placed 3 trades for me this morning. Okay, the first one they placed was the euro US dollar, and right now it's sitting at a profit of £1,184. The gold one isn't winning at the moment, and that's just because it's still got an hour and a half to go, so it still can turn around. And the Dow Jones they placed a trade for me is on £1,049 pounds profit, so that's really good. So I mean, if just those two trades that they placed for me close today, that means I've made £2,000 just today, and that's crazy. I mean, you save so much time. I don't have to do anything. I just woke up in the morning. I noticed that they placed these trades for me, so I'm guessing these are the only 3 trades they're going to place for me this morning, and that's how it's looking at the moment. I'm hoping the gold is going to turn around as well. If the gold does turn around, then that means I would have made £3,000 profit. But at the end of the day, I started with £8,000, £9,000. With that there, I'll be almost £21,000, and that's all in a month, and they do it for me. So it's really good, I would say. And even if I lose that gold one, it doesn't really matter. I mean, at the end of the day, it is trading, so I already knew that I was going to lose some trades. You're not going to win all of them. They're not magicians. They're not genies. They're not going to win everything, but they have moved my account up by almost £10,000 in a month. And if they continue doing that every single month, then I'm going to be buzzing. I'm going to be really happy. So I just thought I'd share this with all of you, really, just so that you can also do it instead of wasting your time trying to learn the markets and do it all yourself. Get in touch with them and they will manage the account for you. I mean, to be honest, my first week I only put £1,000 because obviously you don't want to trust them. You don't want to, well, I wouldn't say you don't want to trust them. You're a bit skeptical at first, so start off with £1,000, see what they do with that, and then you'll get a call from one of their senior brokers. The senior brokers will look after you, talk you through what they want to do with the money. And then once you invest more, these are the kind of returns that you're going to be looking at. I mean, if you're making £10,000 a month, great. And just like, for example, today, that's already what, 2,000, almost £2,150 just today. And as you can see, it's 11 or 20 past 11. So that's banging. In terms of withdrawals, I mean, if you look out, I mean, I've got that, but now that's what I'm looking to get paid out, £2,233. I mean, that's great. I mean, the platform in general, I mean, if you did want to trade yourself, I mean, is really good as well. They got social trading there, so you can copy other people's trades. They have got super cash as well. I mean, if you look at that, 97% payout. Euro US dollar, 97% payout. You have got your charts as usual. And you can place your trade successfully if you want to. Okay. I just put a fiver there just to show you how easy it is. One touch, one trade. So if you did want to do it yourself, you can do. But I don't, because I wouldn't want to spend my time trying to study the markets and do everything when they offer to do it for me, and they have done it very well. I must say myself, the account manager that looks after me, he looks, he speaks to me, he talks me through it. If I do want to draw out money, he does let me. And as and it's just great in all fairness. I mean, I don't want to go on about it, but I just thought I'll make you guys aware of it. I mean, I have used a lot of other options brokers before, but I guess the main downfall is you have to do it yourself. Whereas these guys, what they really want to do is do it for you, so that everyone can sort of make money. They make money, you make money, and everyone's sort of happy. So I hope you guys like this. I hope you think about it. But this is really what the way forward, I think, from now on.